Hey everyone, good morning. I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today is the day 8 of this 45 day schedule for the beginners. As you know, when we are beginners, we do not have any idea about what to study and from where to prepare. So for this, I have made this to-do list and I upload this to-do list every day at 4 a.m. So this is for IBPS clerk and all the upcoming banking examinations which you are targeting. So first of all, there are current affairs, because current affairs plays a huge role in the mains examination. So try to cover the current affairs for now. And for current affairs, first try to watch the video of Affairs Cloud, and after that read the PDF of Affairs Cloud, and then attempt the quizzes from the affairs cloud itself. And for Affairs Cloud, it is a best source for current affairs, and if you have not bought Affairs Cloud till now, then I suggest you to go for this current affair course, and I will give you the link of this Affairs Cloud course in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. And one more thing is that if you when you attempt the quizzes of the same questions which you have read, then you remember those questions for a very long time. So it is the great benefit of this current affair course. Now there is maths speed test, which includes 10 simplification, 10 approximation, 10 quadratic and 10 number series. Then there is profit loss topic for today, as you have covered till percentage and ratio and proportion. Now it's time for profit and loss. Try to cover the level 1 of profit and loss, and you can go for Amar sir's YouTube videos. Then there are 5 prelims puzzles, and try to practice the mixed prelims puzzles. Then there are 50 mixed questions of reasoning, as you have covered all the topics of reasoning now. So you have to practice 50 mixed questions of reasoning, and I will tell you the source if you want to for the math speed test and these prelims puzzles, and then these type of practice questions, these type of mixed questions, you can go for Guidelist PDF course also. As if you go for this PDF course, then there is no need to search any practice questions. You just need to download the PDF and just keep practicing from it till your selection. So it is a very beneficial investment for our future and for our preparation. So you can go for this PDF course, and questions are available in both the languages like Hindi and in English also. And one more thing is that if you get stuck in any question, then they provide video solutions also. And today, like on Monday, Guidely is coming with a very big offer for the upcoming examinations, and it is going to be beneficial for all the students. So try to wait for this huge offer which will be released today. Then there is reading of one editorial, and today you will do conjunctions basics and 30 question practice of conjunction. You can go for any basic English book for covering these topics. First try to cover this topic from YouTube videos of any teacher, and after that try to study it yourself by any book, and then practice the 30 questions. Then there is mains level puzzle. So for mains level puzzle, you can go for Ankush Lamba sir's classes and try to practice one mains level puzzle from there. So that's all for this today's schedule. I hope you all can complete it in time, and all the best for today. Just try to make the 100% of today, and in that way, if you stay consistent, then you will be successful definitely. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.